How to get rid of back fat and underarm flab with these 4 quick exercises. Having excess back fat and underarm flab can be quite unappealing, and for some women it is even the worst nightmare. In this article we give you a few effective solutions to this issue. Try our amazing and simple exercises. You can do these exercises in the comfort of your own home with the help of various utensils. Regular performance will get you closer to the look you dream of. Try combining regular cardio workout routines and involved targeted strength moves. Although genetics has a lot to do with the way your body stores fat, it is pretty hard to get rid of the fat in this part of the body, according to Brian Shiers, a personal trainer from Los Angeles. Regular physical activities involve the front part of your body, meaning your chest. Only few moves involve the back. Moreover, women usually do not target their back muscles in their regular home training. Consider refocusing your routine and do high-intensity interval training instead, preferably 3-4 times a week. You should also consider reducing your daily calorie intake by 500 calories. This is super important. 1. Bent over circular row. Bend forward at 90 degrees and keep your legs shoulder width apart. You need a dumbbell to perform this exercise. Move it towards the opposite hand using one hand at a time. Then move it back, and extend your neck in a circular motion. For optimal results, do 3 sets of 10 repetitions. 2. Crisscross reverse fly. Keep your legs shoulder width apart and slightly bend your knees. Bend forward at your waist while keeping your face down, but make sure it is not more than 90 degrees. Hold hand weights in both hands and bend them at the elbows while setting your palms facing each other. Raise both hands a bit under your shoulders. Do 3 sets of 10 repetitions. Push and touch. Set your body in a resting posture on its sides. Stretch your arms and lift them overhead. Involve a bend if you are using weights. Keep your palms faced forward and stand with your arms stretched on the sides. Lift your arms in the same line as your shoulders simultaneously, then rise them over the head. Bring them back to their original position. Do 3 sets of 6 repetitions. 4. Elbow kiss. Spread out both arms on either side in the same line as your shoulders, while keeping your palms faced up. Do a 90-degree angle upwards and fold each of your arms at the elbow. Swing both, folded, hands to the front, bringing them close to the elbow, and make sure they are touching with the sides of their forearms. Bring your arms to their original position. Do 3 sets of 10 repetitions. Instead of complaining about your looks, you better start exercising regularly. Beauty requires consistency, commitment and discipline. You should not expect magic to do the tough job.